Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust gyro acceleration in Fortnite on iOS. Click on your profile in top right corner, then settings. Then click on touch and motion, gyro options, slide down, find acceleration, and you can set it to legacy, off, low, medium, high, or custom. And when you set it to custom, you can slide down to custom gyro acceleration and adjust fast multiplier, acceleration minimum threshold, and acceleration maximum threshold. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.